Hello everyone, welcome back. Sorry if I was a passerby, but I had some problems earlier with some recordings and then I took a bit of relaxation with my family because the market in the end was quite enough quiet as far as I am concerned, and I just wanted to give you a general update. So today we will resume the videos, 2 to 3 videos a week for sure, regarding Bitcoin. In the end, we had announced that after the ETF there would have been a dump, but it was inevitable. It was quite easy to understand. We expected $49,000-$50,000 and then crash. So it was like this. I had also announced it in previous videos, roughly towards the end of December, that I had sold many spot positions. And we made a great move because many altcoins have crashed by 40, 50, 60% since I had hidden it, announced. What I recommend now is here, understand well how Bitcoin will behave in the coming days. And I have a well-established plan. This one here, I already did it on Twitter several days ago, which was this of going to retest a bit of consolidation distribution downwards, chop and then to make a little pump and then drop around in the air, $32,000. But I don't know, I'm not very convinced that we're going to retest here. One thing is certain, more we retrace quickly, plus I am realistic for the medium future, because this pleases me. He tells me that it's a real manipulation at the moment, so they want to unload it a bit, then start it again. If there will be pumps, that will bring us back to $47,000. I won't like it. Or if we make a double top there, it means that, in my opinion, we will go much lower, below $30,000. We're just trying to update the Bitcoin chart a bit live now. Bitcoin is simple. Let's look at the daily. If we look at the daily, we can see these very simple areas of 41.5, 41.8. It's of this level here that goes from this here, that goes from 37.5, let's say 37.5, 37, $7,000. Now we are simply in this area here where we can shop for the next the next few days, also make some detours. So we move accordingly and do something like this to then take the right direction and go. This is what I would like to see at least until the end of April, and then from May to start climbing heavily again. Look, the chart is really simple. You can observe the weekly. I have always told you that we can look at the key levels from the weekly and monthly, and also from 2 months. The key levels are clear at the moment, which are, these are there of $28,000, $30,000, and resistance area of $50,000 to $49,000. This is the area indeed. You need to take into account where we can move also in the coming months. Quietly, there will be, in my opinion, good opportunities. If I will have some downs here, I will certainly buy more spot, but it's not ruled out that I will buy the spot already, some coin in particular, especially, as I told you, AI coin. I'll buy, but also others like Atom, which interests me because I see it's having a rather peculiar accumulation. Atom, if you are going to retest the area of $8, there is where to buy spot with a simple invalidation, that is to lose the area of the $5 to $6. But what I expect, Atom is simple, it's a small one. We can still consolidate. We can even make a deviation down here around $5 and then take off to resume the trend. But not so much. I would like it. So I would like that with only, I wish it would consolidate here and then start rising. This is a nice chart. Others, are in, where many of you ask me Ing is a coin where I will continue to buy space on the dips, everything that is offered to me in this area here. I will buy for one of these box a long-term spot to go even to $100 or $200. I don't know, but I care little if we go to zero. It means that the market will collapse, and therefore it means that I will lose a position of 2 to 3% of my portfolio. I don't care much other, fact where the discounts are great to buy, especially in the air 0.40, 0.50 to 0.45, 0.20 I would accumulate spot to be able then wait for a domino, either $2 or $4 Ethereum to take stock of the situation. So the situation with Ethereum is quite simple. I would like to see a consolidation here to then it is let's say make a real move upwards. So what I would do is buy spot here a little here and then make a real move to less until 3,500. $4,000 I would like to see this in the future, and I want to be back bearish until Bitcoin doesn't lose me 30,000, 29,000. If Bitcoin loses me 29,000 on the weekly, then I'll return bearish and I'll CTH at $500-$600. But as long as Bitcoin stays up there, it doesn't matter much. I'm interested. So I wanted to give you a general overview of the market situation, basically what we've done, and to reason objectively, we did well because we didn't go to 100k and now we won't go to 10k. Don't let anyone influence you. It makes sense to always evaluate the graphics with your own eyes. So I thank you, and I wanted to give you a general overview of the market to help you understand what I was thinking. Altcoin, nothing. Altcoin, evaluate the levels on the weekly and buy only those that really interest you, because Bitcoin is in a really area complicated. I don't like it on the daily. We can do some scam pumps, we can do some scam dumps, so just be careful. The monthly chart and the 2-month chart are returning a bit on him. They are simple until we hold this area. Be careful not to let anyone influence you, and make your own judgments. Thank you guys. I'll make another video very soon.